In this section, we'll discuss Mobile Device Management, or MDM for short. Now, in this section, we'll discuss the components that make up MDM. We'll discuss MDM profiles, and then followed by MDM solutions. So first, let's define what MDM is. Now, MDM, or Mobile Device Management, is a comprehensive solution that enables the management and control of mobile devices in an organization, and encompasses several key components, including mobile devices themselves, the AP and wireless LAN controller, MDM servers, and push notification servers. And let's delve into each one of these components and their roles in the MDM ecosystem. The mobile device is a primary component of MDM, and it refers to the smartphones, tablets, or other portable devices used by employees or authorized users. And these devices are equipped with various functionalities and features, including connectivity options, security mechanisms, and application support. And mobile devices are the endpoints through which users access corporate resources and data. And to connect to the corporate wireless LAN, the mobile Wi-Fi device needs access, of course. It can either be a device owned by the company or one owned by an employee. And depending on the MDM provider, various operating systems like iOS, Android, Chrome OS, and Mac OS, among others, can be supported. And before being permitted onto the corporate network, mobile devices must undergo an enrollment process and have an MDM profile installed. The communication between mobile devices and the AP they connect to occurs exclusively over Wi-Fi. And in the absence of enrollment through an MDM server, the AP or wireless LAN controller takes measures to contain the devices within a confined area of the network. And this is commonly referred to as a walled garden. And this restricted environment isolates the unenrolled devices and limits their access to specific resources. However, once mobile devices have completed the enrollment process, satisfying the requirements of the MDM server, they're permitted to venture beyond the walled garden. And this ensures that only authorized and properly managed devices are granted access to the broader corporate network. And the AP or wireless LAN controller plays a pivotal role in enforcing these access restrictions and maintaining a secure network environment. The MDM server takes charge of the enrollment process for client devices, acting as a gatekeeper, and it provides MDM profiles to the mobile devices, which serves as a guideline defining device restrictions and configuration settings. Now, in a way, the MDM server acts like a certificate authority, issuing certificates. To manage enrollments effectively, MDM servers offer options like whitelisting and blacklisting. Now, although the primary responsibility of an MDM server is device provisioning and onboarding to the wireless LAN, it also takes on the role of device overseer. It performs inventory control and configuration management, keeping track of the devices under its jurisdiction. And the MDM server's presence can be felt both in the cloud and on premises. Cloud-based services act as a virtual hub accessible from anywhere, while on-prem servers reside in the company's data center. And these on-prem MDM servers come in different forms, ranging from the hardware appliance to software running on virtualized server environments. Now let's talk about the LDAP server component. Integrating LDAP servers into the MDM architecture offers significant benefits for streamlined management. And MDM servers can be configured to seamlessly integrate with LDAP databases such as Active Directory, enabling centralized access to users and device information. Now, this integration ensures synchronized data and eliminates the need for duplicate data across multiple systems. And by querying LDAP servers, MDM servers can retrieve valuable information including user credentials, group memberships, and device attributes. And this integration optimizes user device management, aligning MDM policies with directory services. It also enhances security by leveraging existing user authentication mechanisms from the LDAP server. Now, in addition, real-time updates are facilitated as changes in user roles or device ownership are automatically redirected in the MDM system. Synchronization between LDAP servers and the MDM servers enables efficient onboarding and offboarding processes. MDM profiles. MDM profiles are powerful tools used to restrict and configure mobile devices, containing settings specific to users, applications, and devices. And these profiles serve as configuration files and encompass a wide range of elements, including device restrictions, email settings, VPN settings, LDAP directory service settings, and Wi-Fi settings. Additionally, MDM profiles can include web clips, which act as shortcuts to specific URLs conveniently accessible from the device's desktop screen. For example, a company-issued device may be provisioned with a web clip leading to the internal intranet. Now, in Mac OS and iOS environments, configuration profiles are XML files, which can be created using tools such as Apple Configurator or the iPhone configuration utility. While manual installation and configuration are feasible for individual devices, in enterprise settings with large number of devices, automation becomes pretty important. And this is where MDM solution comes into play. And that enables the creation and deployment of MDM configuration profiles from the MDM server to mobile devices during the enrollment process. An important aspect of the MDM profiles is the ability to provision Wi-Fi settings. And for company-owned devices, a specific Wi-Fi profile can be enforced, ensuring connectivity through the corporate SSID with appropriate security settings. Also, MDM profiles can be used to deploy Wi-Fi settings to employees' personal devices. In cases where 802.1xe is deployed, the installation of a root CA certificate on the supplicant mobile device is necessary. And removing MDM profiles can be done either locally on the device or remotely through the MDM server. For MDM profiles, MDM software is the first step, which can be achieved through various methods such as vendor-specific enrollment programs or manual addition using tokens, QR codes, NFC, email, or SMS. And once enrolled, the IT admins can leverage the MDM management console to push configurations and applications over the air to the devices. Under the hood, the MDM server communicates with the devices through application programming interfaces, or APIs, integrated into the operating system. And the server sends out a set of commands to the devices, which are then applied to them based on these APIs. And this allows for seamless configuration updates and application deployments. And MDM solutions often provide both cloud-based software as a service and on-prem models. Now, while on-prem models may require additional hardware and involve management, monitoring, maintenance, and updates, SaaS solutions offer quicker and more cost-effective implementations. And SaaS solutions alleviate the need for extra hardware because they're delivered over the cloud, and they typically include management and maintenance as part of the service. Well, the operating systems of some mobile devices require MDM agent application software installed for this to work. And the software grabs identifying information about the device. And to initiate communication between the MDM server and the mobile devices, a series of steps takes place. The MDM admin makes changes to the MDM configuration profile, which triggers the MDM server to contact push notification servers. A secure connection between the push notification servers and the mobile devices already exists, and the push notification server then notifies the mobile devices to establish contact with the MDM server over the internet. And once connected, the MDM server delivers configuration changes and messages to the mobile device.